Alright, welcome back to Gale Cable's Custom Cars and Anything. Anyway, I didn't videotape all these gears, but when you put this gear selector lever in, it just sets in there. There's a washer like this, then a snap ring. And the snap ring just snaps on this bar. And then you just set this in there. And then there's a snap ring like this on top too. This is the way the backside of it looks. You know, and then the washer, just like that. And then this thing, there's a pin in the deal. This just, you line up the pin, put that in there, tighten up that bolt. That's then here too. You can kind of see how that's made, you know. And all this just slides together here. These two dowels go in. The longer dowel of the two goes up on top. The shorter one on the bottom. There's no timing marks or nothing. It's just starter reduction, you know. So it cranks it over. That's all that is. But that sucker moves in there too already. That'll probably break off too. Wow. That's impressive. And then the nut here, you hold it with a wrench here. Then you turn this nut to 116.5 foot-pounds. Torque that at. And then these are just gears that slide on with the pins. You know, if you take gears apart, you'll understand how that works. There's no timing or anything involved in that. On that. This one just drives the water pump when you bolt the water pump on later. Yeah, otherwise that's, I mean, it was nothing to really film. I mean, you take gears apart, you just watch how you take it apart. Really easy. Boy, that's got play in there though. Man, I feel like that's going to snap off of there too, and that's the reason why I'm rebuilding it. Well, the good part is they're supported with the cover. These fall in them slots, so that'll help it out. Wish there was a way I could strengthen that up right now. I would, you know, to prevent that from happening again. But it is life, I guess. So anyway, and then the speed sensor here, that was just 2 bolts, and you know, I mean, it's real simple. You take yours apart, you understand it. Look in the manual, nothing else. This is all really easy. This is all pretty simple. Everything goes on one way, you know. Yes, you can flip the gears, you know, but you look at the manual or just keep track of how yours are, you'll be just fine. So yeah, so now I'm gonna put the cover on it and stuff like that, and then I gotta put the 2 dowel pins in, then the new gasket. There's a new gasket that goes on there. It's not like what this was. And then yeah, I can just, you know, so I'm not gonna film any of that, you know, but we'll probably film the rest of the other stuff, you know, but yeah. So like I say, this is a one-way, and this is designed to only go one way because once the motor starts, then this can just freewheel, you know. That's why, you know, like it's freewheeling now there, and then probably notice it isn't there, but yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's that's what it is, I guess, for now anyway. But if you like it, please subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.